Go. Uh-oh, what are they gonna do? Damn, everyone! Got any more in that tank?
Should we do more? Should
Go.
I drink it again and see what?
Yeah, do it again, see what happens. Go. Whoa! Maybe try taking a bigger one. Whoa!
Wow.
Damn! Damn!
Oh, Jesus.
You good?
Yeah, one more.
Okay, one more. One more go. One more burp attempt.
That was a weird
Stop!
sound.
It sounded like you almost puked.
I think I almost did. Oh, jeez.
And that was done with... Would you like to tell everyone what that was done with?
Coke Zero.
Yep, it was Coke Zero.
Camera, stop, take picture, stop recording.